Good evening, Wilkes County. I'm Mr. Wilkes, and welcome to Wilkes Action News. Tonight, we're following a disturbing trend that's affecting our beloved neighborhood, a significant crime wave that's making headlines across the community. Local authorities have reported an increase in all sorts of mischief lately, and it's time for us to shine a light on these offenses. In response, we've dispatched our team of field photographers to catch these criminals red-handed. Yes, you heard it right. Our new team is ready to take on this challenge. Now, your job as our new team of photographers is to catch these culprits in the act. Your assignment? Track down these usual suspects who are notorious for their quirky antics. Here are 5 of the funniest, school-appropriate crimes you might encounter. The cereal spiller. This mischief maker has a knack for spilling cereal in the cafeteria, and you wouldn't believe the chaos that ensues. The sneaky snack snatcher. Watch out for this bandit. They're known for stealthy borrowing chips and cookies from lunchboxes throughout the school. The bathroom bandit. Keep an eye out for more toilet paper being used than necessary. They wrap everything, including themselves. The hallway hijacker. This individual loves to commandeer the hallways, blocking traffic with impromptu dance battles. The lunch line lurker. A true master of disguise. This suspect can be found consistently cutting in line when no one is watching. So grab your cameras and get ready for action. You'll want to catch these characters in the act, and once you do, it's off to booking, where you'll take their hilariously posed mugshots. Now, once you've captured that perfect shot, you will use Canva to create your very own criminal booking printout. Make it fun, colorful, and of course, creative. We want to remind you to work together and keep each other safe while you're out on the lookout for these light-hearted lawbreakers. Until next time, stay vigilant, Wilkes County. This has been Mr. Wilkes with Action News.